So we are starting to pull the pipe and pull the reamer. Just turn on the power pack and push the right button at the machine and the hydraulic cylinder will start to move. We have a reamer which is already in the ground, and we have a puller attached to the pipe. Our task is to use the machine to pull the rods back to the starting pit, to the working pit with the machine. And for this you use the jaws of the machine, the same jaws that you used for pushing the rods, now you use them for pulling the rods. The most important movement of the machine is backward movement of the cylinder. It's the same process as pushing the rods but in reverse direction. Use the lever to fix the rod in the jaws firmly, as you can see here. One of the most important things about pulling the pipe is checking the pressure on the hydraulic power pack. You unscrew the rods. Once you pull 1 meter of rods or 1.5, you can unscrew the rod, remove it, put it in your container for the rods, and then you can put another rod. Unscrew the rods and put them on the surface to the rod basket. You repeat this cycle until the reamer shows up in the receiving pit.